A new visual effects file. Just punch in your footage settings, switch to compositing, use nodes, and add in a movie clip. Whoa, too sexy! Then you can add in a keying mat and choose the key color of the shadowy area of your green screen. You can use these build to remove some of the green color bleed, and a little bit of pre-blur helps. For the edge work, choose the large radius for blurry edges and a small radius for sharp edges with more tolerance. Now let's take a look at that mat. You can crunch the clip white and clip black factors to clean up your screen, then play around with some screen balance to fix any errors, and I like a little negative feather distance to smooth the edges. Hey, cool. Now time for a mask. Let's switch to the movie clip editor, grab that clip, change it from tracking to mask, control click to add a mask, drag to make the handle bigger, and click away. S to scale, R to rotate, G to move, you guys know the drill. Select all that junk and Alt C to close the mask. Click this little button and have fun animating your mask on different frames. Now you can just add in the mask node, grab that mask, connect it to the garbage mat, and there we go. Now using the alpha over node, you can drop whatever you want behind your subject, like Maz and stuff. Or you can just render it out as an image sequence and import it as a plane into the scene of your choosing. So there you go.